Today, you're going to learn how to edit QuickBooks invoice template in QuickBooks Online UK. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on editing an invoice template in the UK version of QuickBooks Online, and I'll guide you through each screen so your invoices look professional and accurate. In Homepage, move to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Under the Your Company column, select Custom Form Styles to see the list of invoice templates you can edit. Find the invoice style you want to change and choose Edit on the right. If you prefer to build from scratch, pick New Style and then Invoice. In the Design tab, you'll control the overall look. Adjust the template layout to fit your information. Choose fonts that are clear and readable, and add or remove your logo so it prints cleanly. Tweak the color scheme so it matches your brand, and check margin and print settings to avoid clipping when customers download or print the PDF. Switch to the Content tab to edit specific sections. Click the header to update your business name, address, and contact details. Edit the table area to ensure descriptions, quantities, and VAT behave correctly, and update the footer with any standard notes or payment terms you use. Add or change the customer message that appears on each invoice, and enter payment details so customers can pay easily. If you need extra fields like a purchase order or VAT number, enable those custom fields here and place them where they make sense. The Emails tab is optional but useful. Personalize the subject line and body text so your email matches your tone, and set a default greeting that feels professional. Before you finish, click Preview PDF to inspect spacing, alignment, and VAT calculations. If everything looks right, select Done to save the updated design. If you want this to be your main invoice style, return to Custom Form Styles. Open the Edit drop-down for that template and choose Make Default. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.